just wanna go here.
It's just you. It's just you. It's just you.
We're here at our first stop. I think this is like the clock shop. Yeah, it's just like a street, and you can see Mount Fuji in the back. But we're not spending too long. But it's absolutely gorgeous. There's actually snow. Well, some bits. I didn't expect there to be snow actually. Yeah. See? Sees one piece of snow. Yeah.
すみません。
あの日と同じこの街で今日も君の面影探す煙るように僕ら出会いその瞳に恋に落ちた嵐に揺れる街明かり闇が全てを飲み込んでゆく稲妻が照らした君はまた闇へ溶けていた恋の幻に
It's rock solid. That is hard.
Yeah, that's why you don't call it.
Really? I thought it'd be soft.
Yeah, it usually isn't the first one, but it's been sitting a while.
We're now gonna go to up the mountain. Not actually climbing up the mountain. We gotta climb 400 steps. Ryan, stand there, stand there.
Where are you from?
Australia.
Australia.
Yeah.
Oh, it's cold.
This is really steep. Oh my gosh. Look at these stairs. That is steep. Okay, let's do this. I didn't go to the gym for nothing. Except, actually, Ryan, think of this as our high intensity interval training. Oh my gosh, that was, my heart's beating so fast.
It's
「
just you.
「 」 「 「 」 「 」 「 」 「 」 「 」 「 」 「 」 「 」 「 」 「 」 「 」 「 」 「 」 「 」 「 」 「 」 「 」 「 」 「 」 「 」 「 」 「 」 「 」 「 」 「 」 「 」 「 「 can't really see, but I can see it. Just the tiniest bit. This is the luckiest day ever. This is the luckiest ever. About to get lunch. Oh my gosh, it's actually snowing. It's actually snowing.
Actually, quite a few Indonesians.
You can see snow on the camera. It's snowing.
Can't even see my face.
Now you can see snowflakes on my hair. Expectation versus reality. There's way too many people here.